God created the heavens and the earth. And God said, "Let it be lit." And thus, San Martin was born. Please welcome your host for this evening.
Woo! Everyone, let's start this great assembly! Wow. What an introduction. Let's just say it is going to get quite lit because as we have been planning, it is a creative assembly, and look, we have been given some tight restrictions thanks to last year. But you know, I really feel like we've gone above and beyond in this one, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. So, to start us off, we're going to play a little game. Who's heard of a minute to win it? Yeah. Show of hands, couple of people, yeah? Okay, well, I need some teachers to the stage, so could I please grab Mr. Gallagher, Mr. Grice, Mr. Lee, and Mr. Petchak, please?
Y'all ready for this? Yes, we are. Where's Mr. Lee? Has he bailed?
Has he bailed? There he is.
Get off my lap. Get off my lap. You don't get that privilege. Now, this is what I want you to do. I want you to stand in the front.
In the front, make a line. Very nice. Come on, guys. We do this all the time. Now, this is how the game's going to work. They are going to have a minute, hence the name, to empty that tissue box of all the tissues individually. So you can't rip the box, you can't grab a whole handful out, so one at a time, just flick them all over each other, and whoever wins, by emptying the box first, there you go. Alright. Yeah, I know. Calm down. I'm making these guys nervous. Alright. I'm not sure if we have a countdown, so I'm just going to count in my head. Are we ready? Alright, hang on. Who do we think's going to win? There you go. I'm sorry. Actually, no, I'm not. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, empty that. Empty them on each other.
Come on. What are you doing? Petchak, one at a time. I'm watching.
Okay, you don't have to cry. Oh, well done, Mr. Grice. Now you guys can clean it up. Okay, just kick it off the stage. Alright, everyone give him a hand. Well done. There he is, off the stage. Wow. We're going to be cleaning this up all day. So if you want to help, go for it. No. Now, we're going to move on to our next game. This is going to be very fast-paced. It is a game that you may or may not have heard of. It is called Spill Your Guts or Fill Your Guts. If anyone's watched the Late Night show, maybe? Okay. Now, I need some guests to the table. Please, can I get Ryan Kim? Mrs. Madison. I love the live band, guys. This is awesome. Thank you. Brittany Vandersay. And Mr. June. Now, come on, take a seat. You've got your name tags. Ryan, you're over here. That's your name. There you go. Good.
Mr. Madison, just over here. Mr. Chu, ready to take a seat. Now, there's still tissues all over the place. That was a great idea. Now, how this game is going to work, as you can see here, we have a lovely table of the finest delicacies around Australia. Now,
we have oysters, preserved duck eggs. Yeah, now you're thankful that you're not up here. Alright, seafood mash.
Sriracha, whatever that is. Silkworms. That sounds like a disease.
Sea snails, my favourite. And last but not least, a soy sauce Vegemite mayo shot. Wow. And of course, as a thank you for playing, we do have brownies for you afterwards, but we've also got spill buckets, alright? Because it could get quite bad. Now, how this is going to work, in front of them, they have questions for the person on their left. So, Ryan for Miss Madison and so on. And what's going to happen is they are going to choose one of these foods and put it in front of the person and then ask the question. Now, that person can either answer the question and they don't have to eat anything. However, if they don't or can't answer that question, they have to eat the entire little container of it. That's right. Once again, I'm sorry, but I'm really not. Now, open the questions, have a look. Now, Ryan, which food would you like to start off with?
I think I'll go with the silkworms.
Silkworms, Ooh.
Now, have a look at that. It smells really bad up here, by the way, and it's not me this time. All right, so, now that the food is in front of her, what is your question to her? Wait, microphone.
Which teacher are you most likely to avoid the most in the staff room?
You realise the staff room has been cleverly designed so that you can't avoid anybody. We all get on so well. So I can't name just one. We are...
I'm not sure if that's actually answering the question. You might have to eat one. Should we give you a second chance? I don't know. Does that count? Oh, sorry. Have a little munch. She's really refusing this.
Just one, just a little bit. We have a bucket. We have a bucket. It's okay. Oh, you're not gonna? There you go. Well, she tried, all right, come on. Now.
That's good, all right, yes, take a drink, it's okay, you're next. Now, which food would you like to choose?
What's the second one?
The second one is the duck eggs. Now,
That is almost the size of a golf ball. Like, have fun with that one. Now, what would your question to Brittany be?
This will take us some time to consider. How many Year 12 students have you kissed? And common, current...
Besides your current bae. There we go. All right, take a little second. Remember, there is a duck egg in front of you. Now, I don't want to say start counting, but I'm kidding. Calm down. You got it? You got the number?
Besides my current bae, 3.
That's an answer. Please remove the food. Thank you very much. Wow.
all right, we're really moving. Good stuff. Now, which food would you like Mr. Chewer to eat?
You reckons that Sam needs to eat something for that gap?
No, I apologize, but that's all you're gonna get. Now, the question for Mr. Chew. Did I get it? Yes, good. All right.
The sea snails.
Sea snails, please. Look at that. They almost look roasted. Or pickled. I don't know. I can't tell the difference. Now, the question. Are we ready?
Team Grace or Team Gallagher?
Remember, they're watching. They're standing right there. Have you thought of an answer?
Bit of an in-joke here. But Gallagher's a safe bet. And just because I'm gay.
What a champion. There's a bucket next to you if you need it. Wow. That is a plot twist. Really well done. Okay. Now, that was unexpected. Really well done. Well done. Now, which food would you like Ryan to eat?
The game plan here is to pick the one that you don't want to eat. No. I'll give you the duck egg. Also, given that I'm an Asian, this isn't too bad. It's probably what you find your average yumcha. Ryan, which teacher have you talked badly about the most?
Take a second. Consider your options. Remember, this is your last day, so you can say whatever you want. That is amazing. It almost looks like jelly, some kind of, I don't even want to know, but it definitely looked a lot worse coming out. Now, unfortunately, that's all we do have time for because we've got to get a move on, but thank you, you've saved. Yeah, so everyone give them a hand, well done. Feel free to drink the water, it's free, it's good for you, I think. And brownies, that's always a win. Now, as they remove themselves from the stage, all eyes on me. I'm kidding. Now, throughout the week or two, I have sent some of Year 12's and 11's finest singers, dancers, performers, to go do whatever they want. Now, I'm not really sure what that means because I have not seen what they have produced. However, we do have a video of what they got up to, so if you'd like, please watch the screen and enjoy.
Why is everybody staring at you? Not me. You. Because of the callbacks? I feel like people staring at me. I really can't.
Pretty good. I mean, I was pretty impressed. There was a lot of receptiveness. It was great.
Summer.
that was something else. I was not expecting everyone who thought they did a good job. It's pretty good now. The reason why I wasn't there, but the reason I sent them out was because something like that is just, you know, beneath me. I am so much better. Not sorry, yet again. I'm so much better, so much more musically gifted, rhythmic, at dancing. I'm not going to do it right now, don't worry, it's okay. But I'm so confident that I can say that there is no one in this building that could take me on. Can I get a little more in the building?
Quite surprising. What are you even doing here?
I want to challenge you to a rip-off, man.
Okay, I see.
Introduction. Lil Mar in the building. Here we go. Hey. Yeah. I'm a one-hit wonder. I've been doing your fun, Lil Mar back at it again. Building on my empire, building on my brand with the #1 fan women. Lil Mar, you the man. Listen to what I'm preaching. You ain't around, but you should stick to the teaching. On the mic, I go berserk. Give me the tensions, cause I don't do my homework. What's that? Who the heck does talk? Plus, you can, I was supplying the blows. Coming to school with his ugly clothes, hey? Skirt. Hit the dirt. Cause I'm a flirt. Lil Mar in the building. Alright guys, make sure you get at me on IG. At this production. Lil Mar acting in the building.
That was something else. Now, I just cleaned up this So sick of this. Now, obviously it is a riff-off, so...
It is my turn. Y'all heard of Lil Mar? Have you heard of Lil Martin? Sorry, how does he hold his microphone? Okay. And now for an ad break.
Hi, I'm Aiden Federo, captain of Pacific Hills Christian School. Here we are today at our famous bus bay. Now, as you can see, the students here are in grave danger. They are exposed to the elements, and you never know, they could get hit by a bus. They're in harm's way. They're instructing all the students here at Pacific Hills. The brilliant minds of Pacific Hills Christian School have come up with a new and safe solution to get the students from the school all the way to their buses. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about all the students getting exposed to the harsh elements of the Australian sun? Well, in the school's all its money, they have invested millions and millions of dollars in putting together an infrastructure which can negate this issue. Hi, I'm Mr. Gay.
We can't. They can't do that. We can't do that.
What do you mean we can't do that?
They're not letting us do it.
We're not allowed to do it.
Yeah, the dam's a really special place in my heart. Somewhere where I can get away from all the noise and the school environment. I like to just go down there, spend some time relaxing, really enjoying the nature. I've already planted some of my own trees down there, and it really loosens me up, if you know what I mean. Yeah, the dam's my place to be.
I'm going surfing, dude.
Hi, I'm Alex Genovese, captain of Pacific Hills Christian School. At this prestigious institute, we make sure to create buildings with secure locks so no students can ever get in when they're not supposed to get in. We also make sure to prepare the students with lockdown procedures to create the utmost security and safety for our valued students.
That's why I called JD Production.
Hi, Alex Genovese here again, captain of the school. Here at Pacific Hills, we provide a learning environment where students can come and study in a safe environment. As well as this, we provide teacher supervision from experienced teachers who have never fallen asleep on the job once. Finally, we also provide books that are relevant to the HSC and the students' learning ability.
Hello, I'm Dr. Ted. I've been principal at Pacific Hills Christian School since 1985.
Thank you for joining us for the tour of Pacific Hills Christian School. We hope you had a very exciting experience in the season. Thank you and goodbye.
Give it up for them. Now, I'm not sure about you, but if you have friends, family who are considering joining our school, if that is not evidence enough of the reasons to come, we're going to play a little game where we can get to know some of the staff here at the school. So, can I please invite the HSIE group to the stage, please?
HSIE. Alright, here we go. Thank you. Yeah, that's it. Line up. That's very good. Now, we're just going to ask name. No, you're fine. Okay, fine. You can say that. That's okay. Just screwing with the order. Name and favourite colour.
Waterhouse blue.
Nice.
Red.
His name is Red and his favourite colour.
Sorry, what was the question?
Name and favourite colour.
Sorry, I've just been taking lessons from you all year, Sam Martin.
And I have not been taking lessons from you. Proof legal. What?
I already knew that.
Name and favourite colour, please.
Gallagher and red.
Gallagher red, nice.
Brayshaw and white.
Okay. That reaction. Alright. Name and favourite colour?
Fletcher and blue.
Fletcher and blue. Now, okay, that's good. That just erupted. I don't know what happened. Oh no, okay. Moving on. Can I please invite the PHCS team? Here we go. Come on to the stage. Nice and chill, very nice. It's like, who's keen to this game, am I right now? Alright, okay, let's change it up a bit. Name and favourite animal. Oh, okay, take your time, yeah.
Man and Waterhouse.
I respect that. Alright.
Man and gorilla.
We'll accept it, thank you. Alright.
Macca and elephant.
Elephant, nice. That's okay. Cool.
Miss Smith and horse.
Nice, good choices now. Let's your PHP and HSIE teams. Now, these two fine gentlemen, they play a crucial role in the game. If anyone has seen Family Feud, this is exactly like that, but better. No. Now, if you guys haven't figured out, rejected. If you guys haven't figured out, these guys are the buzzers. For example. That's good. And very enthusiastic. Alright, now,
I have my questions here. Can I please get team captains to the buzzers, please?
All right, we surveyed year 12 and the top 6 answers are on the board. Here we go. Which teacher has the best beard? All right, that was definitely Miss Fletcher.
Yep, sleep out.
Is everything on the board? Second answer for 10 points. Okay, you get a chance to get answer number 1. Who do you think it is?
Mr. Yako.
Mr. Yako on the board. Number 5. All right, pass and play.
All right, now, we're going to go through the ranks. Here we go, same question. Which teacher do you think has the best beard?
Mr. Gallagher. It's Mr. Gallagher on the board.
Wow, a lot of people agree with that. Well done. Now,
same question. Who has the best beard? Mr. Jarks.
Mr. Jarks, is he on the board?
Wrong. Shocking. Shocking. Waterhouse is triggered. Hey, oh, wow. All right, same question. Which teacher has the best beard?
It's got to be Mr. Evans.
Mr. Evans? Yeah? How do we feel? Number 3. Well done. Okay.
2 more answers. All right.
Which teacher has the best beard?
Oh, Mr. Young.
Mr. Young? Oh, what? Okay. There's 1 more on the board. Here we go.
Best beard.
Mr. Richmond.
Mr. Richmond! Yes! Oh, strike 2. You guys?
You can come up with 1. You get 1 chance to steal it. Now. Okay, it's all on you. It's all on you.
You're already up on the board, so you can't see yourself. All right, time's up. Teacher, hey, shut. Okay. Teacher with the best beard.
Zaki.
Is Zaki on the board? Incorrect!
All right. Okay, all right. Now, you guys get to input, but you make the final decision. 1 chance to steal it. Okay, you were supposed to talk earlier, so...
Time's up. Now, everyone answers, but you make the final decision. Now, who do you think has the best beard?
Mr. Chappell.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Chappell.
Oh, we're feeling... Well, are we feeling positive for Chapel? Okay, that's a neutral current response. All right.
Miss...
Come on. You got a few seconds.
Mr. Barnett.
Okay. All right, now you guys, you get to make the decision.
We're going with Mr. Chappell.
Is Mr. Chappell on the board? Correct!
You guys, wow. You guys get all the points. Someone write it down because I ain't keeping track. Can I get the second team members, please? Ellen, Brayshaw, Macca. Second question. Are we ready? Well, hey.
Leave it to the soccer field. Right, are we ready? Top 8 answers are on the board. Besides the PHPE staff, which teacher is most athletic? Mr. Brayshaw. Wow, that was fast.
Mr. Waters. Mr. Waters, is he on the board?
Unlucky. No, you've already got it. Hey, you just wanted to hit him, didn't you? Hey, let's calm down, Your buzz is broken. It's like, you just got to answer it. Wow, all right. Who is the most athletic?
Mr. Ogden. Ogden, is he on the board?
What? Wow.
I'm looking at this list, it's pretty obvious. Okay, we'll keep trying.
Me.
Brayshaw? Is he on the board?
Yeah, 1 more chance to take the top answer. Are we ready? Who do you think is the most athletic?
Chewy.
Yes. Is he on the board? Top answer.
Pass or play? Alright, you're gonna play. It's time to play the feud. I am never doing that again. Alright.
Are we ready? Besides the PHCS staff, which teacher is the most athletic?
I'm going to go Waterhouse.
Waterhouse is on the board. Oh, sorry, Jane.
Wow. I could have told you that. No, alright. Most athletic.
Mr. Gallagher?
Is Gallagher on the board? Nice! Number 3, you should be proud of yourself.
No. Alright. Again, no talking. Yeah. That's yours. It's yours. Back to team captain. Most athletic.
Mr. Lee?
Is Mr. Lee on the board? Oh, second strike. You guys have a little chat amongst yourself. Who do you think it is?
Same question. Hey. Most athletic.
Miss Wright. Miss Wright. Is she on the board? Oh, third strike.
Unlucky, guys. You have 5 possible answers. That's pretty good odds. Pretty good. Now, Mr. Waterhouse, who do you think is the most athletic?
Going with Mr. Luo.
Mr. Lewis? Okay. Well, yeah, that makes sense. All right. Mr. Gallagher.
I got Mr. Tran.
Are you putting that answer in just because your name's already taken? Wow. Okay. So I see right through you. All right. Mr. Brayshaw.
Mrs. Munro.
Munro. Okay. That's new. All right. You can put in your own. It's all right. You can absolutely cut off your team. That's all right. They won't judge. All right. Most athletic.
Luo.
Luo. Is there a Luo on the board?
Well done, you guys get those points. Wow. All right, can we get... Oh, yeah, the others, sorry. Number 4. Mr. Cheney was up there.
Number 6. Mrs. Harmony. All right. Number 7 on the board. Mrs. Choi. And number 8. Mr. Grass. You still want to go. Well done. All right.
Can I have the third players to the buzzers, please? Gallagher, that's you. Sorry, Brent, that's you.
There is a score update on the board. HSIE on 38. PHP on 58.
We got a few more rounds. This is the double points. Well done. He's onto it now. All right.
Well, no, top of the head. It would be hilarious, but okay. Now, which teacher is most likely to sing in the shower? Joel. Miss. All right.
Mr. Petchak.
We have Petchak on the board.
No!
However, we all know you do. Yeah, we all know it. That's all right now.
You got a chance. All you got to do is get one of those 8. Who do you think sings in the shower?
Mrs. Nunn.
Mrs. Nunn? We have Mrs. Nunn on the board.
Wow!
Okay, coming back around now. Hey. All right. Who do you think sings in the shower?
Mr. Man.
Mr. Man! On the board! Oh, wow. There is no pressure at all.
Now, which teacher sings in the shower?
I'm going to go with Team Captain Fletcher.
Fletcher, on the board!
Pass or play? Oh, passing, you guys are up. I was expecting you to say yourself again, but you know. All right, let's calm down.
Mr. Man, most likely to sing in the shower.
Mr. Lack.
Mr. Lack? Yeah, okay. Wow. So close, so close. Teacher most likely to sing in the shower.
Miss Raj.
Miss Raj. On the board. Well, second answer, that's pretty good. All right. Becca, have you ever sung in the shower?
I sing in the shower all the time.
Well, there's your answer. No.
Okay, you're Macca.
Macca, is Macca on the board?
Oh, but you just admitted it. Wow, year 12, you don't even know your teachers. Come on. Now, Miss Mann, most likely to sing in the shower.
Yakko.
Yakko. Surely. Well done.
All right, coming back around. 3, 2, 1.
Mr. Charles.
Mr. Childs, surely. On the board. Damn.
Wow. You guys, hopefully you've had some time to brainstorm. This is double points, remember? It's very crucial. Now, same question. Most likely to sing in the shower.
Say Mrs. Parsons.
Miss Parsons, okay. Kind of a mild crowd response, not too good there. Mr. Gallagher?
Mr. Lee.
Surely. Okay, we're getting warmer. Alright, ready. Most likely to sing in the shower.
Mr. Zunica.
Okay. Very, very cold crowd response, this one. It's totally up to you. You can go with one of theirs, or you can cut them off. Alright, ready. Teacher most likely to sing in the shower.
We'll go Parsons.
Miss Parsons, is she on the... Surely.
Oh, well done. Double points. Well done. All right, 8th answer. Let's go with the last one. 8.
Oh, Miss Robin.
Oh, Mr. Zuze! Yeah, surely. Number 7. Mrs. Baker. 6. Oh, what a gun. All right, number 5. Mr. Gallagher, you should have said this up. And number 1. Mr. Brayshaw. Wow, that was great. All right,
Can we please have the 4th place to the buzzers, please?
Yeah, the Waterhouse.
Yes. Wow, these guys are very tall.
which teacher would make the best Prime Minister?
Best Prime Minister.
Yes, that is the question. I'm looking for an answer.
Mr. Yakko.
Mr. Yakko for Prime Minister! On the board!
That's it! That's alright. He would talk too fast in his speeches anyway. Got you covered.
Alright. You don't have to hit the buzzer this time. Alright. The best Prime Minister.
I reckon Mr. Waters.
Mr. Waters! On the board!
What? Surely. Alright. Best Prime Minister.
He served in the military, so it's got to be Mr. Lee.
Mr. Lee, on the board! That's good, that's really good. Now, okay. Best Prime Minister. Use all that brain power of yours. There we go. Alright, best Prime Minister.
Mr. Grice.
Mr. Grice, surely.
Alright, pass or play? Pass or play? Pass, alright, it's up to you guys. Wow. How's the buzzer's knees going, by the way? You guys alright? Oh, yeah, sorry. Alright. Teacher to make the best Prime Minister.
Mr. Gallagher. Oh, he does legal stuff. Surely. Well done. I mean, I wouldn't know how good of a teacher you are because I don't pay attention. Now, okay. Best Prime Minister.
Mr. Childs.
Mr. Childs on the board. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's a fair point. No pressure. Best Prime Minister.
I'll go with Captain again, seems to be a safe bet. Mrs. Fletcher.
Mrs. Fletcher, is she on the board? Thank you for the suggestion. Alright. Only 3 answers left. Question though. What would be the first thing you would do? Hey, listen. Yeah. What would be the first thing you would do if you were Prime Minister?
First thing I'd do.
Yes.
The second.
Oh, the second.
Come on with the first decision.
Come on with the first decision. Okay, that's pretty good. It's kind of avoiding the question, but that's alright. However, you can't avoid this question. Yeah. Who would make the best Prime Minister?
Very good question.
That's why I asked it.
I'm going to go with Mr. Wood.
Mr. Wood, is he on the board? Oh, wow. I got in your head there. All right. Now, again, best Prime Minister. Your name's already up there. It's okay. 3 answers left. Best Prime Minister.
Mr. Chappell.
Mr. Chappell, surely. Oh, sucked it in. All right. Sorry. It's just because you guys are on the team. What? Okay, moving on. You guys are supposed to talk earlier. Get just... Okay. Ready? Which teacher would make the best Prime Minister?
Mr. Chew.
Okay. Yes. Not a very good response from the crowd. Sorry.
Loves a good talk. Waterhouse.
Waterhouse. I can agree with that.
Mrs. Zuzay.
Yes. That's a good response. Surely, alright. Who are you going to go with? Who would make the best Prime Minister?
I think based on his speeches and that for dressing up, we'll go with Waterhouse.
Is Waterhouse on the board? Wow, there you go. That is insane. Well done. So, number 7. This is Harmony. Yeah? Wise? 6. Miss Madison. Well done. Okay. Now, I believe this is the last round, so let's make it triple. Team captains again, please. And remember, the buzzers, top of the head. All right. Here's a good question. Which teacher is the most fashionable? Whoa, that was fast. No. You just hit the buzzer, you gotta answer now. Turn around. Hey, no.
Mr. Yakko.
Yakko, surely. Is Yakko on board? Careful, don't put your shoulder out. Now, pass or play? No, because you got top answer. Pass or play? Hey! Pass or play? Alright, let's play. Now, which teacher is the most fashionable?
Mr. Yapsley Bell.
Yapsy Bell, is he on the board? Oh, wow. Some people have a different sense of fashion, that's okay. Alright. Red. Who is the most fashionable?
Miss Raj.
Miss Raj, is she on the board? Number 6. Well done. Alright, again. Most fashionable.
Mr. Gallagher.
Mr. Gallagher? I don't know. Sorry. I did have an influence on this. I'm kidding. Now. No, you didn't. Alright, which teacher is the most fashionable?
This is Hinchin.
Inchen, on the board.
Sorry, I'm not getting there. Alright, here we go. Which teacher is the most fashionable?
I go again, Mr. Chew.
Mr. Chew, okay, no crowd response.
Miss Man.
Mr. Man. Miss, we're going with Miss. Alright. Dr. Boyce. Wow, okay, that's good. I respect that. Most fashionable. Time to make the decision. You never know, this is triple points. They could be.
Hey. Who believes they can come back from this? A couple people. Alright. Well.
Your final answer.
Gonna back our faculty, Mr. Man.
Mr. Man on the board for triple points.
Incorrect. Wow, you guys get all those points. Triple. It's okay, triple that. Now, can we get answer number 7?
Okay. Number 5. Miss Baker again, wow. 4. Brayshaw. You hear that? Wow. 3. Miss Smith. You could have won that. 2. Mr. Chew. Wow. Well, that is all the questions that we have. Everyone give it up for the teacher. And give it a hands for the buzzers over here. You guys are good. Thank you very much. Now, whoa. That's awesome. Who loved that game? Who was surprised by some of the answers?
I'm pretty sure I was. Now, unfortunately, that is all that we have time for. So I hope you guys have enjoyed our creative assembly. Thank you very much for coming. Little Mom. No, that's disgusting. This is not happening. This is not happening. Alright, well thank you very much ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you enjoyed it.